Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to turn on two-step verification and prevent hackers from hacking your account. I'm doing this video because I have had a lot of reports from people whose WhatsApps have been hacked. In the last 1 year alone, I have helped to recover more than 50 WhatsApp accounts which have been hacked. These are direct. Those that I have helped indirectly, like through my videos, they are more than 5,000. But those that I helped them directly, that they personally know me, are more than 50 of them. Now, this is what you should do. First of all, open your WhatsApp and click the three dot at the top right hand corner. If you're using iPhone, it may be slightly different, but you will still see the three dot. And you click on it. Then you go to settings. Then from settings, you go to account. From account, you see two-step verification, so you click on it. Then it will ask you to turn on. You see turn on at the top. You see for extra security, turn on two-step verification, and at the bottom you will see turn on. So you just click on the turn on. You'll be asked to put a 6-digit code, so you put a 6-digit code and click on next. You will also be asked to put an email that will be used to reset your password in case you forget your password. Then you put the email address. They will send a code to your email, and then you put the code from your email to verify that you really have access to the email. And I'm issuing this. Please make sure that you don't forget that password. Make sure that before you even do the password, the 6-digit code, write it somewhere in your diary or a book, somewhere you can remember. I'm saying this because on several occasions, people tell me that, oh, I did two-step verification, but me, I've forgotten the code, and it will still give them problem. So make sure that you have the code. Then also make sure that the email you are using, you also write it down somewhere, because if you don't write it down, any day you forget the code, you cannot reset the password or the 6-digit pin, and your WhatsApp will be locked, and you will have to wait for more than 1 week in order to reset it. So please, just make sure that you keep these login details. If you do this, your account will be secured and no hacker can hack your account. If they are trying to hack, they cannot get access to the 6-digit code, and then you'll be able to recover your WhatsApp back. Thank you for watching. Remember to turn on the notification bell and like this video, and leave your comments in the comment section if you have any problem doing this. Once again, thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.